Stratford really is the centre for Shakespeare.
To get to not only learn everything that we have about Shakespeare and experience the plays, but to do so in the place where Shakespeare was born, you know, this is the top. So to be able to come here is really amazing.
There's no better way of studying Shakespeare than being here.
I don't think you can get closer to Shakespeare than in his hometown of Stratford. His life is here, his works are taken care of here, they're performed here. And I think surrounding yourself in that heritage is invaluable.
It's always important to walk in the footsteps of a famous individual or an icon. It puts place to the literature, it puts place to the individual. You begin to feel as if you're a part of their life.
We have something like 800,000 visitors coming every year to Stratford to visit Shakespeare's birthplace, Anne Hathaway's cottage, New Place, the place where Shakespeare's house stood, Hallscroft, and they can quite literally walk around the town in Shakespeare's footsteps, seeing these fabulous houses and hearing about the life and times of Shakespeare, which gives immediate context to Shakespeare's plays. What would Shakespeare's life have been like in Stratford? What sort of things would he have seen on a day-to-day basis? And how do those things find their ways then into the plays? It really helps unpack them.
One of the best things for me, honestly, is visiting the church as well. Being so close to where Shakespeare was buried and sort of just walking into that place, you just feel immediately the sanctity of that place and how much Shakespeare is really appreciated and loved.
This place, this experience, is one of infinite possibilities, particularly as an educator, as a lover of theater, as a lover of looking at primary source documents, of connecting place to person, to icon, to literature. It's one of those experiences that can't be duplicated. You have to be here to really understand how special it really is. You're able to say to a student or to your colleagues, I've been to Stratford-upon-Avon. I've been to Shakespeare's house, for goodness sake. I've walked on the same streets that he's walked on. And it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that everyone should experience if they can, and hopefully they will.